Alright, welcome back to our 21 days challenge, and today is day 22. We are going to have a very unusual quick challenge today. So this is just sorting a string. This is very simple and straightforward. So we're just going to touch it so that you just know how to sort a string. Alright, in Python. So go ahead and give this a try and let me know in the comment section how you were able to do it, how many lines of code it took you, and yeah, we're able to get it. So alright, so let's just dive into this. So I just have a variable here I'll call str. Okay, let me just say string. Alright, yeah, so I just say string now. I'm just going to collect an input, and this input I want to strip it to make sure that I get rid of any excess space or any space before the string started or after the string started. And I'm just going to have another variable called sorted string, that's sorted str. And all I just want to do right here is an empty string, they join this, and just say sorted in a way a string. Alright, it is as simple as it seems. Alright, so I got this done in just 3 lines of code. Let me know in the comment section how many lines of code it took you the first try. Alright, so we are going to do this now. So just go ahead and say print a program to sort a string in dictionary format. Yeah. Okay, in dictionary order, right? So we are sorting it in dictionary order. So, oh yeah, now I know where the error is coming from. So I can just do this. Okay, enter string. Alright, so I can just say Andrew right here. And now it is sorted in dictionary form order. A before A, then D, then E, then N, then R, then W. Alright, so that'll be all for today on our Python string challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code Review, for more content like this. Bye bye, see you in the next video.